To transfer USDT from one platform to another, such as Coinbase, the process is relatively straightforward and quick. First, open the Source app and navigate to the Wallet option, typically found at the bottom of the screen. From there, select the Deposit, Withdraw, and Transfer option, and then click on the Withdrawal button. Choose USDT from the list of cryptocurrencies, or use the search bar to find it. Once selected, a new screen will appear, prompting you to choose the withdrawal method, which in this case should be the native chain withdrawal method. A pop-up will appear, requiring you to confirm by checking a box and then clicking Confirm. Next, you will need to enter the wallet address where you want to transfer the USDT. To find this address, open the recipient app, such as Coinbase, and click on the Transfer option, followed by the Receive Crypto option. Select USDT from the list or search for it, and then click on it. After clicking the Receive button, you will be given the wallet address, which you can copy. Return to the Source app, paste the wallet address, and select the correct network. It is crucial that the network is the same on both platforms to avoid any issues. If the network is not automatically selected, you can choose it manually from the network options. Finally, enter the amount you want to transfer and click the Confirm button. Once this is done, the USDT will be transferred to the recipient platform.